Hey babe, why did we open this store?
So you get most of the credit. Uh, 3 years ago, you brought the idea to me on a date night, and you said you were so difficult to shop for because all of the things you like are high quality, mostly USA made products. And what if we open up a brick and mortar storefront where everything you like, where you carry everything that you like, and you already spend spare time that you have on YouTube, going to knife shows, trade shows, so you know what the hobbyists like, you know the brands that are really well respected. So bringing that knowledge to a storefront, and that's how the idea came to be.
That's amazing. You inspire me.